Let's talk about Bodum PILATUS glass set double-walled, isolated, dishwasher safe, 0.35 L 12 oz pack of 2, transparent. Capacity, 0.35 liters, 12 ounces. Individually mouth-blown by expert artisans. Bodum's proprietary double-wall glasses feature 2 walls of borosilicate glass. Silicone valve at base allows for changes in pressure. 0.35 liters. Pair. Insulating double wall. Made from heat-resistant borosilicate glass. Dishwasher safe. I adore these glasses. I use them mainly with my Dishwasher cup coffee machine, which I've set to 80. Fill the glass and leave the perfect crema. But I digress. Several factors combine to make these glasses outstanding: the shape, contoured to fit the hand nicely, comfortable to hold, the function, keeps your coffee hot, and your gin and tonic cool, the practicalities. You can microwave them and dishwasher them. They take it all, and very happily too. I use the smaller versions as wine tumblers for dinner too. Allow these wonders into your I have ordered a selection of these glasses in varying sizes after being impressed with my first purchase. I was worried they would be very fragile down to the thin blown glass, but this has not been the case with any of them. And they are used heavily and survive very well. No surprises here, these keep your beverage hot or cold for a little bit longer. Just take into account that the stated capacity is to the brim, so these cannot hold 250 milliliters but around 200 milliliters.